Today, I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate trifle terrarium. A trifle is a layered dessert, a cake, a custard, and fruit or a jelly component. I'm going to start things off by making a classic pastry cream. I start by combining my dry ingredients, my sugar and my cornstarch. Some recipes call for flour, but with cornstarch, you get a really glossy pastry cream. Now I add my milk. Make sure your milk is cold. This helps ensure you'll have a smooth pastry cream with no lumps. And now, before I turn on the heat, I add my egg yolks directly to the cold milk. And you have to whisk constantly as you bring this up to a full simmer. If you undercook your pastry cream, it won't thicken. You can really tell when your pastry cream is about to thicken. The frothy bubbles on the top of your milk all of a sudden disappear. Here we go. I already have my butter measured into my bowl. The next step is to add your flavors. My 2 ounces of dark chocolate. Strain the pastry cream. That gets out any little cooked egg bits. And the heat of the pastry cream is going to melt the chocolate. Now add vanilla. Flavor extracts lose their flavor if boiled too long. All right, the last step is I want to place a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface. That prevents a skin from forming. Now it's time to pipe this in the bottom of my terrarium. Always keep an eye on the sides as you're assembling it because you want to see all those layers distinctly. And now it's time for a cake layer. I'm going to show you how to make some realistic looking cake moss. It's a very simple recipe. It starts with an egg, a little bit of honey, along with the tiniest amount of sugar, flour, and quite a lot of baking powder. I'm adding purple food coloring and some ube extract. You can add whatever flavor and color suits your terrarium. Now, what's different about this cake batter is you don't bake it in the oven, you microwave it. Each cup takes a minute to microwave. As soon as your cups come out of the microwave, invert them upside down and pierce the bottom of the cup with a knife so you don't get condensation. Look at how that tiny bit of batter fills the cup. This cake has a light and fluffy texture that once you tear it into pieces, really replicates moss. Now we've got color contrast, texture contrast. Now that's 2 layers. I still have room for more. Chocolate truffle rocks. I want to toss my chocolate truffle rocks in gold luster dust and cocoa powder and just give it a little stir inside the bowl. All right, but I'm not done yet. I've got some chocolate cookie crumb. I have milk crumb, and of course, cake moss in a different color, and the decor. The first thing I'll do is add another layer of pastry cream. So you really want to fill in those gaps. And now for a bit of crunch. Just a little soil on top of our terrarium. Put on a few pieces of cake moss. Some succulents. There we go. A terrarium should be compelling and you want to look at it from all angles. And there you have it, a whimsical trifle terrarium.